Today the next concept of filter, the last concept, drill filters. Okay, drill is nothing but going inside or going down. Okay, anywhere, horizontally or vertically, I don't care, but I want to go somewhere inside. So that's what the drill means. Under this drill, there are two categories. One is drill through and one is drill down. Okay, first we'll discuss about the drill through and then we'll go with the drill down. Okay, drill through is nothing but going horizontally. I don't care about the sides. I don't care if it's west, east, north, south. I don't care. But going horizontally. That means navigating across the pages. We have some pages now, so that's called the reports in other ways. Okay, navigating across the pages by applying filter on the visual. That is what actually called drill through. Okay, we are applying some filter on the visual. It needs to redirect to us to the another report with the same data set. Okay, buttons will help you to navigate even though the data set is different. Buttons functionality is, we already learned buttons, right? Buttons functionality is, it will help us to navigate even the data set is not correct. Even the visuals which are not from the same data set, still our button is helping us to navigate across the pages. This drill through is, it will only allow us to navigate if there is any matching visuals with the same dataset. Okay, if there is no matching visual with the same dataset, it will not allow you to move. Okay, for example, so here in this particular slide, I have category versus sales. Means column chart we can say, pie chart we can see, category versus sales. Okay, here this is my total sales and this is my total profit. Okay, total sales and total profit I got. Okay, and this is the one sales by category. In which domain percentage they are asking? In which domain I want? I got how much, like a highest sales here? Clothing section I got highest sales. So this is I understand after seeing this visual. Here this is an area chart, count of order by quarter and category. It is saying each and like quarter wise count of order, how many orders are there, and with respect to category. This orange is nothing but furniture. Okay, this dark blue is nothing but electronics, and this is sky blue is nothing but clothing. Okay, so this is the way we need to represent this kind of thing. Here they are asking for a quarter, that's why we took area chart. Okay, if it is a category, we are going with the column chart. Okay, so why I have taken the area chart, you understand? So here it is saying category versus sales. So these are the sales by category, clothing is highest. Now if I apply any filter here, there is a one more section called subcategory. Subcategory. See here, subcategory versus sales. Subcategory wise sales. In this slide, all the subcategories are there. Okay, that means under, like if you take clothing, this code will come, shirt, pant, okay, women's skirts, sarees, everything will come under skirt, like clothing, right? Here the subcategories are there. Under clothing, what are the subcategories? Under the electronics, what are the subcategories? I use tree chart because it's the category versus subcategory versus sale. Like it will show that only, right? Tree map. So I created a tree map. If I apply clothing there as a filter, I want this visual to apply with only with respect to clothing. Okay, here all together there. See, furniture, electronic games, everything is there. If I apply filter in that particular category page, with respect to the pie chart I created, on that I want to click on clothing. I want to drill through. Means if I want to go inside, I want this particular visualizations to be visualized. Only with respect to the data, clothing. Got it? And along with this also needs to change. Here also profit. See, clothing wise subcategory, and that subcategory also how much profit you are getting because of that particular. Because of that skirts, how many people are showing interest, and how much profit you are getting only because of the shirt, pants, skirts, and all clothing. And if I want electronics, all this needs to be changed to electronics along with the cards. Understand? So that is what my requirement. Now based on that, I want to drill through across the pages from category to subcategory. If I apply filter, I need to reflect here. Okay, so in such kind of cases, the first page is nothing but a source page. It's called as a source page. Understand? See, keep this in mind. In interview, they will ask you question. What do you mean by source and destination pages in Power BI? Filters. You need to say when we are using drill through function, drill through filter, the source page is nothing but from where we are applying the filter. The destination page is nothing but where it will navigate to. The output. Okay. Input you are giving in category, output you will see subcategory. So that's what the drill through filters function. If they are asking you, you need to answer like this in such a way. Got it now? Now see here, to do that, source page and destination page. We need to apply filter in destination page, then only we can navigate. Okay, how to apply filter in destination page. So subcategory is my destination page. If you see here, add drill through fields here. Okay, this particular section is telling you add drill through. See, whatever the drilling you want to do horizontally, you can add those fields first. Okay, what is the filter we are going to apply here? What type of filter we want to apply? Category filter. If I apply category filter, whatever with respect to clothing, I need to redirect there. So in my destination page, I need to keep the category column in that add drill through filter. See, I have added the drill through filter here. Once I added, I am able to see all these things. I can directly apply filter here. It will update there. So this is one kind of filter. Here also we can apply, same it will give. Here also we can apply, same it will give. But what is the functionality of this particular section is, this will help you from source page to destination page, you can easily navigate. Okay, but here there is no source page, there is no destination page. You need to click on the pages to move across. Got it now? So that's what the difference between a drill through and a page level filter. Understand? Page level filter, if you want to navigate, you need to click one by one pages. Drill through filter is not like that. Just apply filter on the visualization, it will take you to the other pages. Got it? What is the name of this particular page? Destination page and subcategory page. In subcategory page and only in the destination page you need to add the filter. Only in the destination page. If you apply the same filter in the source page, it will not reflect. Then that becomes a destination. Got it now? So I applied a filter here. Now I'll clear this filter. So everything is proper. Now I'll go to the category. Double click on this. You will be able to see when you apply filter. I'll tell you. In the destination page, when you apply filter in this section, in this particular section, then only in this particular section, if you apply filter, then only in category source page, if you double click at once, tap. If you double tap, this option will be enabled. If you are not applying any filter there, which is similar to this, it will not activate. Got it? See, if I hover on the drill through, it is showing me the subcategory, means destination page. You applied some filter there. Power BI by default, it is like catching the sequence. Like you applied something there which is similar to this. So you can redirect to this particular page. If I click on subcategory, see what happened? All are with respect to clothing only. This is changed, this changed, this changed, everything is changing. Everything is changed. Right? So that's what the drill through filter. See now what happened? We drill through from source page to the destination page. Got it? Understand? Any doubts? By using button, you can navigate via pages directly, even though data set is not similar. But by using drill through, you will navigate via pages, but it needs to be same data set. So that's what the limitation of this drill through. Got it? Any doubt here? I'll go with the drill down now, then we'll go with the next one. Okay? If I want to come back, I just click on the arrow mark, control arrow mark, I just come back to my actual page. Now I want to apply filter on furniture, just drill through subcategory. See all the furniture related items I got, and again control, click here. See, why I need to use control to go back to click on any button means Power BI will enable, Power BI desktop enables safe mode by default. Okay, by mistakenly if you click it will directly go and this page will not be saved. It will be again an error. Power BI service, once you publish this to Power BI service by using publish button, then you can navigate by clicking the buttons. Okay, but here in the desktop you need to click on control and navigate. You need to click on control and you need to click on button. In Power BI service, no need, just how you will click, one click. No need of holding any buttons. Just one click, it will automatically redirect. So that's what the significance of Power BI service. Okay? Because I don't want my user who is seeing this dashboard to be in a trouble. Here you are a developer, you need to take care. Where I am going, what I am doing. See, now we have only 2 to 3 pages. If you have 50 pages, you don't know where you are going. By mistakenly, you didn't give the name to this particular dashboard. Report. If you are not keeping on control, it will take you somewhere. Again, you need to search each and every page. Where I created this one, where I created this one. So that will be a big headache for us again. That's why it is not allowing you to move without clicking on control. Got it? If you are clicking on control means you are aware of it. You know where you want to go. Okay. Intentional. Okay. If there is no control, just randomly you are hovering over mouse and somewhere you clicked, it will directly take you to other pages. Then it will be difficult for you to understand where I am. That's the functionality of this page. Why they kept like that, why they kept like this means this is the one. Got it? This is the drill through filter. Understand? How many types of filters we have? 4 types. First one is visual level filter. By using edit interactions, we need to restricting the visual, which visual we need to interact, which visual we don't want to interact. So that's what. The second one, page level filter. If you apply any filter in the page level section in the filter pane, it will apply only for this particular page. For that, all the visualizations needs to be from the same data set. Got it? Third one, report level filter. Wherever the visualization is present in the entire Power BI desktop file, Power BI workbook, if the visualization is from the same data set, everything will be filtered. Okay? Or this filter will be applied to all the pages, report pages. And what is the fourth one? Drill filter. Under these 2 categories are there. First one is drill through. Second one is drill down filter. Okay, drill through is nothing but if you want to navigate across the pages horizontally, that will help you with respect to the navigations. Got it? Here we have 2 pages. What is the first page? Source page. Source page. What is the second page? Where we need to keep the filter? Destination page. Okay? Don't get confused. When you are applying this drill through, you will forget to keep the filter in the destination page. And one more thing is, you will forget to keep the filter in the destination page. Instead of that, you will give it in a source page. Then you will not get the output. Okay. This is called a drill through filter. Clear? Any doubts? No? Okay. We'll go to the next one. Next one is drill down. Drilling down. See, this is a slab. If I want to drill down means moving vertically. Moving vertically. Okay. Just consider it as a column. Drill through is a horizontal row. Okay. Drill down. If drill down means drilling down vertically in vertical direction. Okay. The same way. For example, when we are using this particular drill down feature means category versus value pair. Which chart you will use? Column chart you will use for category versus value pair. Okay. City by total, like total sales by city, total sales by state, total sales by region, total sales by some other like product line. See, all these things are there. What is the common in all these things? Y-axis is common in all these things. Only x-axis is changing when I'm changing. Got it? Here, y-axis is same, but x-axis is changing. I need to create all these category versus value pairs in my dashboard. Okay? It's like this drill down is nothing but an advanced visualization. Okay? This feature is, I don't want to create multiple, like multiple means multiple visuals with respect to the category versus value pair in different column charts. I want to create in only one chart. Whenever the requirement is there, I will drill down the filter. Okay? I will use drill down filter to navigate down with respect to the filter. In one filter only, sales, total sales by city will be there. Total sales by, like clustered will use now. Clustered will show you all together in side by side or one by one like that. But this is not like that. If until or unless I drill down, the next category will not be seen. It will not be visible only. Got it? So that's what they actually call the drill down filter. For this, the limitation is you need to have a single y-axis. Got it? You need to have only one single y-axis. Okay? Y-axis with respect to column chart. you need to have a single x-axis with respect to bar chart. Okay, x-axis is the value for bar chart, y-axis is the value for column chart. You know, you're familiar, right? To use this particular drill down, value column must be similar. Value axis, where you are drag and drop, is the most important thing to be considered. Okay, got it? So that's how we need to create this particular drill down filter. Now we'll see in a specific page, different page, like here I'm going to create a column chart. So this is the column chart. Online store data set. I want category versus selling price. So I got, and one more thing, city versus selling price. Okay, and one more thing, payment mode versus selling price, and then state versus selling price. See, here you need to understand one thing. Which will come first? State will come first or city will come first? State. Inside state, city will be there. Inside city, stores will be there. Inside that store, selling price will be. Got it? So before going to create this drill down filter, the first most important thing is you need to focus on hierarchy. Okay. If you give country first, then state second. If you are having geographical locations, I'm talking about. Okay. Other location, other categories and all not required. You can do whatever you want. Okay. But major things you need to keep in the first. Alignment. Drill down will completely focus on alignment, and this is what actually called the alignment. And this particular x-axis section is nothing but the alignment. How you align here? The same way the visual is aligned. See here, first one is state. Here, Gujarat state. What is the second one? Goa, Delhi, Ahmedabad, Surat. These are the cities. Okay. Third one is electronics, clothing of the category. Fourth one is payment mode, cash or credit card, UPI. How you are arranging here in the same format, these will be arranged here. Got it? The way you are arranging here is the same way these particular categories will be arranged. So you need to make sure. If I give city first and state next, is it a valid one? No, it will give you a big column chart. It's not a valid one. Every city is, see for example, under Bangalore, Karnataka and any other city, Hubli, we can take. Hubli and Bangalore we have taken under Karnataka. If I give city first, under Hubli Karnataka will come, under Bangalore also Karnataka will come. But if I give state first, one city will come, under this one state will come, under these two cities will come. So the same way, under Goa, this is the one, Gujarat, Surat and Ahmedabad. Under one Gujarat only, both are there. Got it? If I give reverse means, for this also Gujarat will come, for this also Gujarat will come. Our chart will be a big one. Okay? It is a proper one only, but it's a big one. I don't want to complicate things. We want to reduce the chart visual, like the visualization that we are going to show. Okay? So we need to focus on the hierarchy when there is a geographical column. If there is no geographical means not required. And one more thing, not only geographic, clothing, category and subcategory. Just now when we are working with a drill through, what we have seen, there is a category clothing. Under clothing, so many subcategories are there. That also we need to make sure. Category first and subcategory next. Got it? That also we need to make sure when you are working with the drill down feature. Right? So this one, I created this one and any other left here. So all the columns are here. So not required. Y-axis is same for me, but x-axis is different. Okay? See, when I'm moving this, all the details are present here, but I don't want like this. My requirement is, I don't want like this. In this case only, we are going to use drill down. See, I'm in the first particular place. My questions are 4 questions they have asked. One is, I want state versus like sales, selling price, city versus selling price, category versus selling price, and the payment mode versus selling price. But what I have shown here, Only state. Before, all together at one place. Okay. Now I'm in the first state. We need to see when we are into that particular place. I'll show you 1 minute. So this is what we have seen now before. This is what we have seen now when we are creating the visualization. Now my step is I don't want to show like this in such a way. I don't want there is a difference like a relationship between these two. I don't want. I want to show this one separate, and this one separate. I am creating 4 column charts in one column chart. I am using drill down feature to go inside. Got it? Understand? I don't want to create 4 different visualizations by using column chart. I want to create only one particular column chart. In that only I want to drill down whenever there is a requirement. When you are showing the city, you can't able to see the state when you are working with the drill down. Got it? See, when we need to use this drill down feature means, for example, our dashboard consists of all these 4 questions, and when the client is asking you to show the state details, then you need to drill down to the state and you need to show the details of state. When your client is asking for your state city details, then you need to drill down to the city and keep the city visual on the canvas and show it. Okay, when you want. Instead of creating multiple visualizations by reducing the space, and it makes suffocating to the visualizations. So we are just segregating all 4 together in one place. Whenever requirement comes, I'm working on it. Okay, this particular filter can be used by users also. Users also can drill down. Okay, but filter, if you click on this eye symbol, they will not use. That's what we said now, discuss yesterday. But this one, users also can interact. Users also can drill down. Okay. Now I'm at the category level, category versus subcategory level, where all the values will be visual. Now I don't want to see everything. Here we have multiple arrows. 4 arrows are there for you. 4 arrows are there for you above this visualization. So these are the arrows. You're able to see. The up arrow means drill up. Drill up. Till now we discussed drill down. The next concept is drill up. Okay. Without going down, how can you come back? You're drilling. Once you make a hole, you need to take the drill out. Okay, that is called drill up. Got it? Without making a hole, how can you come back? Now I make a hole by using all these things. Now I need to remove my drilling machine outside. Drill up means I need to go up for the first category. Okay, see here, if I click on go up, one category removed, there is no payment mode. There is no payment mode. If I click again, there is no category. If I click here, there is no city, only state is present. Means state is present. Drilling up. Once you drill down, then only you can drill up. Got it? So see the feature, vertical one, vertical alignment. Going down, coming up. Going down is nothing but a drill down. Coming up is nothing but a drill up. Okay? Now you understand what is this particular first top symbol. That is called a drill up functionality. When we'll use, once you drill down only you can use. Otherwise you can't use. Okay? The next one, click to turn on drill down. We already make a hole. We take the drilling machine out. Now we want to keep some pipe in that. Like for a pillar and all, we are going to do something. Drill down. So this particular feature, all these 3 are drill downs only. This particular feature I will explain you later. Now only I'll explain. But once you need to understand these 2, then we'll go with this particular feature. Okay. The next 2 parallel arrows which are down. If I click on this particular arrow, it will take me to the next hierarchy. See, from state to the next hierarchy is it will remove the state. Okay. Again, if I click down, it is taking me to category. See, when I'm going down, my up arrow is activated. Okay. When I'm completely in the city level, state level, it is not activated. When I'm going down, drilling down, then only I need to come up now. If I go to the ground floor, then only I can come up. Otherwise, how can I come up? So that's what this one. This one means changing across the categories by removing the other categories. Okay, this particular feature. Double parallel arrow down. Okay, this will help you to navigate with respect to the categories. when you are using this to navigate across this, what it will do? It will help you to navigate only with respect to one category. Got it? Now you understand this. Now I completely drill down to payment mode. So this is the payment mode. Now what I need to do? Drill up. Then only I can come down now. So understand? Now I want to see. So this is the function. This particular double down arrow is a function which will hide the other categories. Now I want to see the subcategory as well. I want to have the category. I want to have the subcategory. Under the subcategory, whatever the subcategory, everything I want. This parallel, like after these parallel arrows, there is an arrow, hierarchy arrow. Okay, just see the difference. If I click on this, it is showing me city as well, and it is showing me state as well. Category, subcategory. Now if I click one more time, category, subcategory, subcategory. If I click on it one more time, category, subcategory, subcategory, subcategory. Understand? So that's what the functionality of this particular hierarchy. This is called hierarchy down. Drill down hierarchy based. Drill down category based. Now this particular functionality is the most advanced feature in Power BI. Drill down. Actual drill down means this one. Actual drill down means this one. Actual drill up means this one. Okay. Now I drill down to the visual. Now I'm going up. So this is completely up. If I click on this, see, it is activated. Here you are not going across. It is activated. It is activated. Now, just see, in Goa, I want to see how many states are there. Goa is having only one city. Under this city, what is the categories? Okay, just clicking on the visual. Under clothing, what are the payment mode? Understand? Drilling down with respect to visual. Okay, drilling down with respect to visual, you need to activate this. If you are not activating this, means it will not drill down across this one. Now we'll see one more thing. I deactivated this one. Reactivated it is. Okay, now I'm again drilling up. Okay, so this is the final step of drill up. Now if I click on any visual, will it moving inside? It is just highlighting the particular column. Okay, but when I click on the drill down feature, when I enable it, if I click on Madhya Pradesh, what are the states under Madhya Pradesh? That is the reason I'm asking you to arrange this particular x-axis in a hierarchy based. Got it now? Now you understand why I'm asking you to do this? So that's what the functionality of drill down. Understand drill down and drill through? Any doubts in this?